You guys already know all of the basics when it comes to glowing up to looks maxing, and obviously all of the scams as well. Like, just start thumb pulling, bro. It's gonna work. It's gonna work wonders. What I'm actually gonna do today is actually give you 13 glow up tips that are actually going to work, scientifically backed, to make you more attractive, that nobody on the internet is talking about besides this video. So without further ado, man, 13 ways to glow up this summer. Let's get it. Number 1, you should be living somewhere tropical. Now, I know this is not within reach of most of you guys, but you could set this as a life goal to end up somewhere tropical. The reason I moved to Bali initially and Southeast Asia in general is because the humidity. Some people complain about it, some people hate it, but it does a couple things. Number 1, you get just a touch of sun. That's going to be so beneficial for your skin and your overall health. But not just that, man. The skin is made up of water. So what do you think happens whenever you are sitting in an environment with high amounts of water in the air? Your skin is going to be moisturized, meaning your aging process is quite literally going to slow down. The hair is going to be softer and more moisturized. Whenever I moved from somewhere in the West with 4 seasons all year round, I remember I struggled with itchy, dry skin. My face just had no glow to it. And then the second I moved to Bali, man, my face, my skin, my hair started glowing for the first time in my life. There's something so powerful about the philosophy of treating yourself. Now, I hate these penny pinchers just in general. Like, when it comes to looks maxing, glowing up, and just having proper mental health, you should actually be able to properly spend the money that you have. This doesn't mean to spend things recklessly outside of your budget, but it does mean that if you want that new expensive fragrance and you can afford it, I think something like this is worth it. If you want to spend a couple $100s on a new skincare system, I say go for it. If you want to spend a lot of money on some new shoes, new clothes, penny pinching and trying to save up will not make you any more attractive, man. You got to learn to invest in the things that will actually make a difference. There's one protocol whenever it comes to the spa that's going to be optimal for testosterone, for skin, overall health, everything that will make you more attractive. So there was one time in my life whenever I was living in Bali and I had a full spa pass to a freezing cold ice bath and a Finnish sauna. The Finnish saunas are the hottest saunas in the world, and this ice bath got to freezing temperatures, man. It was so cold, and what I would do is I would rotate these every single day before I exercise. So every day I would either go for a walk on the beach or do some sprints. Then I would go to the spa and I would actually hit the ice bath first, then sauna, ice bath, sauna, and I would always finish with the ice bath. So your body naturally has to get its core body temperature back up. And then I was still actually shaking for a little bit. I'd go straight to the gym and do some strength training to fully get my internal temperature back up to where it's supposed to. And what I noticed is huge spikes in testosterone, energy levels through the roof, brain fog started going away, any achy joints, anything like this. This is one secret to looks maxing, man. You're gonna have insane blood flow, awesome hormones, awesome testosterone. Now the trick is actually finding the ice bath in the sauna where you live. One hack I've actually been doing recently for electrolytes and overall health and muscle building is using organic baking soda before I exercise. Actually, there are lots of studies coming out talking about the benefits of taking all natural baking soda whenever you exercise and how it's going to help with muscle recovery, muscle strength, everything. You could throw some creatine in there as well. I think it's also awesome, but this is going to be such an awesome hack for you to start doing just to optimize your overall health and your exercises. Everyone's telling you guys to wear a fragrance. We all know that fragrance makes you smell more attractive, and obviously this is why we wear it, man, to increase our overall perceived attractiveness. But did you know that vanilla specifically is actually rated the most attractive, sexiest scent for men from the female perspective? So getting something really woodsy or even pineapple-y and smoky like a Creed Aventus will not be the most beneficial if you want to be more attractive. So the most attractive scent, man, get something very heavy in vanilla. For example, 1 Million Elixir is very strong in vanilla, but if you want something for the summertime right now, for example, because it's really hot outside, then something tropical like a Creed Virgin Island water, something like this with natural vanilla in it will always hit that. We all know how important important it is to actually invest in your skincare, man, because this will make you more attractive. And if you're lacking in your skincare, you are not going to optimize your overall looks, maxing, aesthetics, everything. Which is why I'm so happy to have Tiege Hanley as today's video sponsor. Tiege Hanley skincare systems are designed around routines, the same way you live your life, simple and uncomplicated. They require just a few minutes in the morning and before bed. You can stay focused on what really matters to you. Seriously, I don't think some of you guys understand how much implementing a quality skincare routine is going to instantly transform your life and how much confidence you have. Tiege Hanley's performance-driven formulas address men's various needs, so you'll feel great about how your skin looks and feels, whether it's for a first date, a job interview, anything. I recommend all you guys start with their level 1 system, which comes with all the basics. A daily face wash, an exfoliating scrub, an AM moisturizer with SPF 20 to protect you from the harmful rays of the sun, and a PM moisturizer. Oh, and to make it dead simple for guys just like you and me, they include an awesome instruction card telling you step by step how to do everything. Tiege Hanley has all your skincare needs covered, including acne. This is their acne clearing, breakout busting routine called Tiege Clear. It's a powerful system that gives you everything you need to win the fight against acne. But don't just take my word for it. I mean, they have over 16,000 5-star reviews from people all over the world praising Tiege Hanley. Tiege Hanley thinks that you are going to agree, which is why they have their handsome guarantee. Love it or get your full money back, no questions asked. When it comes to skincare, prevention is everything. Start fighting the signs of aging today. Your future self is going to thank you. And since Tiege Hanley's today's video sponsor, obviously they're going to offer you guys an amazing deal. Save it up to 40% off your first box today and give it a free gift valued at $20. Plus sign up as a member and get 20% off for life. By the way, one of the free gifts is a body scrubber, the ultimate grooming tool to effortlessly exfoliate your skin. Valued at $20, it is yours for free. You can now find Tiege Hanley in hundreds of stores across the US. Click below to discover a store near you, or you can shop with my link below for the best offer and start a life-changing skincare routine. Most of you guys are actually using the worst pillowcase possible, basic cotton, or even worse, polyester, but what you want to do is actually upgrade to a silk pillowcase. What this is going to do is make sure there's no friction with the hair, and it's going to help reduce all of the oils naturally coming from your face to the pillow. So you wake up, your skin's going to look better, healthier, more moisturized, and your hair is going to have more life and volume than ever before. In today's day and age, everyone seems to be hustling and bustling on the 9-to-5s. They are stressed, they don't sleep, they are constantly working and in grind mode. This glow tip, I'm telling you, man, find a career path that will help make you make a decent amount of money to where you are financially comfortable in your life, but there is not that much stress. Like, your cortisol levels are pretty relaxed most of the time. You don't feel like you're going to war every time you are simply working. Find something you're passionate about, find something that is easy for you to get done, and obviously what the world needs. Because if you're just listening to what I'm saying, let's say you're a really good singer, but you're not top 0.001%, this could perhaps be a hobby, and then find something else that you can help contribute to the world. Now, I'm not telling you to not follow your dreams, but I'm telling you to actually do what the world needs the most and what is going to pretty much bring you the most peace in your life. You should be practicing power poses on a consistent basis. This is man spreading, this is taking up space, because psychologically, this actually improves the way you think about yourself. So even simple things, man, when you're doing your skincare, whenever you're putting coconut oil on your body to moisturize yourself, anytime you're walking, you're sitting, anything like this, man, I don't want you to just be small and feel like you're almost inferior to the world. I want you to always take up space, always have that confidence, and even if you don't feel like you have it now, the more you do it, you're gonna build it up more so and more so. Fake it until you make it. They do say that whenever someone looks at somebody else, one of the first things they always notice is going to be your shoes. So I want you to upgrade your sneakers like crazy. We've got a couple options. Number one, getting high quality, 100% leather, calfskin if possible, boots. Boots are so awesome, so versatile. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down. I love boots. Now, another option, lately I've been really into sneakers, but I don't want to just wear basic Vans or Converse, so I've been upgrading to luxury designer sneakers made from 100% Italian calfskin leather. For example, this Golden Goose sneaker, which is one of my favorites recently, and it's just going to set you apart from the basic stuff that everybody else is wearing. Women love Golden Goose. You could also go some YSLs or anything like this. Just make sure you you don't go with any gaudy, like cringy designs, in my opinion. You know how whenever you take a shower and then you get out of it, your skin is immediately dried out. You just lost all of your moisture in that single shower. So the best hack around this is to douse yourself in coconut oil before you actually take a shower. Now, if you just get in immediately, the skin won't actually have time to actually absorb this moisture. So if you wait 20 minutes perhaps, you're doing some other grooming protocols, you're shaving, you're doing your skincare, everything, you're gonna get out of the shower feeling moisturized, sexier than ever. Stop buying cheap clothes, man. I really hate Zara these days, H&M, all of these cheap brands. These fabrics are so cheap. It's fast fashion. It's not going to last you a lifetime. So I want you to start investing more in your clothes. We have a couple of options, man. So I want you to start dressing up more, get some nice tailored suits, a nice tailored pea coat, a nice tailored 100% leather jacket. Now, these are pieces you want to save up for because they will last you your entire lifetime. The details always matter. And then whenever it comes to more basic things, I want you to not get any name brand stuff and go for premium, go for quality, or you can go for more small, like artisan brands that are actually putting more heart and soul into their pieces, like my stuff on kalosique.com, for example. I love my own designs. That's the only brand I've been wearing lately besides custom tailored stuff. Last but not least, you gotta stop obsessing over your looks, man. There's nothing more unattractive than some guy who's always trying to get validation from other people. He's always trying to ask girls, do I look handsome? Do I look good? You don't know if you look good. Even if you look great, you have an awesome glow up, you're still so insecure about your own looks, man. The best glow up tip is to eventually get to a point in your life you don't care anymore. You don't care how you look in that photo. You don't care if someone gets a bad angle of you. You really could not care less. This is how you know you've ascended. You now have inner confidence to where little things like this really don't faze you. You don't care if you always look perfectly handsome and chiseled. This is not the end of the world. Sometimes you can be bloated. Sometimes you can get a bad picture and you still know you look great. But that's it. Subscribe if you're new. Love you guys with all my heart. Peace.